So again, trackpad, that's a popular or important part that stops working. But again, this is older, so I'm probably not going to keep it. The amazing part about the trackpad here, when I open it up and show you guys, there's a ton of gold in it. I almost got the screen out. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell the screen like this complete. I'm not gonna bother to remove everything else. Just makes it, I can't say more complicated, but for someone, you know, who wants a quick replacement, this is fully working. You just have to pop it in. And that's it. They screw everything back in. If I were to sell just the screen, you know, they on their side they'd have to undo all the screws all around, pop it out, you know, take out the cables and everything. And I would have to do the same thing on my side. So just to save time, sell it complete like this. Minimum $25 here. Let's put this somewhere nice and safe. In the past, what I used to do, I used to take everything apart and sell piece by piece. But I just don't have the time to do that anymore, so now everything I do is bulkier items with more value. Right here, all of these little boards, I used to take them apart and sell them. I'm not gonna do that. So we got the connectors here. So what I'm probably gonna do, I'm just gonna dump this in a pile of boards, cut the cable, put that with my cables. And for you gold collectors, these connectors here all have gold. We got some monolithic capacitors in here. I'm just gonna make a little pile of parts here, and then I'm gonna go through all of them. Tell you what the value of all this stuff is. There's another one here. The motherboard's almost loose. Probably a few more screws holding it down. Oh, there you go. Look at that, I missed one on the back end. Or on the back of the, or the underside, I should say. There you go. Finally got it. Now, there you go. See what one little tiny screw can do? So we have a bunch of other things here. We have a battery, we have the fan and the heatsink. Nice piece of aluminum. And the copper here, you can pry it out from under. And even here, the black part here under, it's all copper. So let's undo this guy.